All right, I'm gonna do some walk arounds with my bikes. So first off, we have this YZ125. It's a 2005. Some stuff done to it. There's a new fuel line, carb clean. It had C-Cycle suspension service done to it. I put some graphics on the fork guards. But I got it off a trade and it's all around a pretty mint bike. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the whole FMF system that was on it. And it sounds really good, so. Also, there is a uni filter for the air filter. It's brand new. And yeah. All right, so here's the FMF system. It's got a pipe guard on it. The tires are in good condition, as you can see. Yeah, no issues with it, and it's for sale up on my website and on Instagram. So yeah, that's that one. We're gonna move on to the next bike. All right, so next up, I got, I think what is my best looking bike I have. It's a 2002 KTM 125 SX. And it was a full build, so it has all new engine seals, has a recent done bottom end with really low hours. The cylinder was replated and welded by a professional, and also the top end was done, all new gaskets there, carb clean, new chain, back tires new. Front tires fairly new. It's got orange grips, Pro Taper bars, ARC levers, both sides. The air filter was clean. It wasn't bad, so it was just clean. It's got Excel rims. It's got the stock exhaust system. I'll show that to you guys once I turn the bike around, but it's got Brembo brakes front and rear, so I'll have to flip the bike around. It's got an orange sprocket on it. What is that? It looks like a Turner sprocket. Yeah, and I was told that the suspension was done recently, front and rear, so it's a little stiff. But yeah, the frame's in great condition. It's got an aftermarket gas tank cap. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn the bike around and. All right, so here's a look at the other side. As you can see, it's got the stock pipe. It's got a carbon fiber guard on it, and that's in good condition. I'll show you the stock pipe. No dents or anything like that. It's in good condition. Yeah, so the Brembo brakes, as I said, right here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Did the oil on it. Yeah, so that's the KTM 125. No issues that I know of. You know, it's has really low hours on the top end, like I said, and you know, may still need a break-in. I'm not really sure, but it's a great bike. So it's for sale as well. Check out the website, but I'm gonna move on to the next bike. One thing I did forget was these radiator guards. They're on both sides, but they're like heavy duty, and they're aftermarket as well. I didn't put them on there, but they were like that when I bought it. It's got really good compression for 125. Kicks over like first kick every time, just like that YZ125. They're great bikes, 2 strokes. You know, they got a lot of power and they're pretty mean bikes. All right, moving on to the next one. All right, so here is the 2000 KX250. This thing is a beast. A few things I've done to it is a carb rebuild. It's got Renthal bars on it. You know, it's never had any big problems. I changed the spark plug out a few times, and I have an extra one for the buyer. But the frame is in really good condition for the year. It's really hard to find a frame in that good condition. The back tire is starting to get down a little bit, but it's not too bad. So in the future, will need to be changed. This Pro Circuit 304 silencer was just recently put on. It's brand new. Sounds great. Yep, the sprockets they're not horrible, so I left them on there. And the chain is fine. Brakes are good. Seat cover is in excellent condition. This is the stock seat cover, so that's a big shock. One thing about these bikes is the gas. If you let them sit for like a month or two, you know, they don't like the gas after it sits for a while. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you keep, you know, either riding it or changing the gas so it's fairly new, you're gonna have no problem with this bike. So I'm gonna turn the bike around so you get another look at the other side. And yeah, all right, so here's the other side of the bike. Give you a little look on the front side. But if you guys want to see any of these bikes running, I have them all running, and videos of them running on my Instagram page. And like I said, they're all for sale. So go to my website or Instagram for more details about the bike, the prices, etc. So yeah, more about this bike. There's not, you know, too much to go over. I pretty much cleared everything up. You know, it's a clean bike. There's no issues with it. Like I said, it's a 2000, so it's getting on the older side. There is some minor dents on the front pipe. That's pretty common on these two strokes though, but yeah, not a big deal. Doesn't really affect anything, but yeah, the oil which was changed on this bike as well. And yeah, it runs great. The air filter was cleaned out too. Yeah, so moving on to the next bike. All right, so this is the last bike that I have other than the unfinished TTR that I'm gonna show you. It's a 2011. But yeah, for this bike, it's a 2004 TTR 125 LE, I'm pretty sure. And some stuff that was done is a new gold chain, a new carburetor, new petcock, fuel line. It's got brand new tires, front and rear. The air filter is a twin air filter, so those are really good. It's got pro taper bars. It's got key and electric start, and also kick start. The battery is new as well. It's got a minor rip in the seat, but this is the original seat. What else? The brakes work. It's got a new kickstand because when I bought it, it didn't come with the kickstand. And also when I got it, the plastics were all painted white, so I had to get all new plastics, or at least try to restore them. And yeah, it came out really nice looking. So yep, these are great, reliable beginner bikes, and they're actually even really fun for experienced riders like myself. I have a great time on them. I took it out in the snow not too while ago and had a great time on it. But yeah, it's a great all-around bike. They're really reliable. So, and if you ever have any issues, you could just bring it to me. I do services as well. So yeah, that's the TTR 125. I'll flip it around for you guys so you can see the other side. All right, so here's the other side. As you can see, the frame's in really good condition. The carburetor's new, like I said. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. It's a great, reliable bike and has no issues. Yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else much to say about it. Yeah, so this is also for sale. All these bikes that I'm going through are for sale or are going to be for sale. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the TTR, the 2011 TTR 230 that's in progress. All right, so here is the 2011 TTR 230. So I'm waiting on a few parts for it. Plastics, obviously. New battery, because the other one died out when I left the switch on by accident. But yeah, so new battery I'm gonna be getting for it. I got the OEM sprocket guard or case saver. Also got a new OEM idle screw for it. Yeah, the air filter is in really good condition, as you can see. Yep, so it's got a gas tank cap on it. Looks like that was aftermarket. I put new Pro Taper grips on it, so those look cool. Yeah, I mean, the frame is in really good condition, as you can see, with the plastics off. You know, the engine is as well. You know, no major issues with this one either. Also did a carb clean on this. Yeah, and also oil change and clean the filter and stuff like that, oil filter. Yeah, the tires they're in good condition too. It's got the stock pipe on it, the stock kickstand, the original seat, which is in great condition. Gas tank's in really good condition as well. Yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else to this one as well. Yeah, so this one will be for sale once I get the parts in for it. It'll be up on Facebook, Instagram, and my website. So yeah, that's my bike collection as of now. You could also go on my website and see all the bikes that I've sold. I've had multiple before this one, before this collection, I mean. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and take care.